Morning. Today, we're going to be focusing on the damage, what it is, and what I can do. So first, hate that. I just pull this up and let it hang. Going all the way down here though. Pop it on. Let's take a look at this bay. Okay, so here's what we're working with, right? Here's what we got going on. This is all previous owner stuff. I don't know anything about this. Don't know what this even goes to. If I had to take a guess, I would say it's wiring for like an amp or something. But I'm not super sure because I don't mess with electricity. That's not my thing. It could, well actually, now I'm looking at it, it could be this that goes to this light bar. So that could be that, which, whatever, I'm going to be getting rid of the light bar anyway because I hate it. I might replace it with something better, but you know, whatever. I think it just looks ugly on the front. Also, I don't know if you can see this. That's bad. I didn't know if you noticed, but there's coolant all over the place on here. So, yeah, that's going to be a fun thing. I mean, other than the coolant all over the place, the top of the engine looks pretty good. I mean, minus these tubes. These are definitely not OEM. They are definitely not meant for air passage anyways. They look like regular PVC tube something or other. I don't know. They don't look like they're meant for inside of a car to me. I don't know. Belts on here look new. This belt is new. Missing part of the timing cover down there. Let me turn that up for you so you can see it. Yeah. Oop, lost it. Get it back. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Everything else looks okay. You know, nothing too crazy. Nothing super out of the ordinary. But yeah. Alright. So now what we're going to work on is just getting rid of the stuff on top to make room for me to get to these heads so they can be removed. Yeah. I'm going to do some magic video editing to make it look like I definitely didn't go to work and then do this tomorrow. So I'm going to make it look like I did this all in one day, and I definitely am not. In fact, I'm actually cutting this video now and going to work, but the magic of video editing. looks like it failed somewhere around here, because that's where all that coolant is. So yeah, that head gasket did not work. I'm sure this one actually looks fine. Yeah, this side's dry. This side's dry. It's just dirty. That gasket for the manifold, however, does not look good, but that's fine. Okay, intake manifold is off. So now I think the next thing that I'm going to work on is getting off the radiator and the AC so that I can have more room to get that pulley off. So yeah, let's get it.